everyone. 안녕하세요. Yeah. So, thank you for being here today. My name is Sehyeon Oh. I'm in charge of new business development based on the blockchain technologies SK Telecom in Korea. Today, I like to about SK Telecom's leap into Web3 for the vision of Web3, invisible Web3. Moment. So, yeah, here, yeah. I'll start my presentation by giving a short introduction, SK Telecom, and our journey to Web3. Then I'll show you T-Wallet, the crypto wallet we are developing as a gateway to decentralize the economy. After introducing Tapot, the NFT marketplace we launched last year, I'll talk about our collaboration with NEAR Foundation. Finally, I'll share my thought on the future of Web3 as we all together move forward. So let's begin by diving into SKT's journey toward Web3. SK Telecom, South Korea's leading telecom company with a market share of more than 48%, has a proud track record of generating stable revenue and leading customer satisfactions. Our evolution has recently steering, embracing AI, and integrating it our core telecom services and reimagining customer experiences. Through this effort, SK Telecom aims to become the leading AI company globally. While focusing on AI, we have been working to create business opportunities by building blockchain infrastructure and exploring the markets. Initially, we adopted blockchain infrastructure from the perspective of technological innovation. In December 2018, we established a dedicated blockchain group at SK Telecom. Then, we designed a new service model using decentralized identifier and launched a mobile credential service based on self-sovereign identity. We have also been exploring use cases that could be synergized with SKT's current digital identity authentication and carrier billing-based mobile payment services. And recently, we started preparing for the crypto wallet, which is sure to become the common Web3. In this chapter, I will talk about SKT's Web3 vision, which is broadly characterized by the keyword invisible Web3, connecting possibilities, bridging realities. First, we aim to bring the convenient Web2 UX into Web3 and onboard our existing 30 million subscribers to Web3 services. Almost all our subscribers will have their own wallet address within 2 years, I hope. And we are working connect our metaverse service with blockchain infrastructure and also create synergies between digital and physical customer satisfaction. We believe that financial innovation enables us to realize the core values of Web3, so we have partnered with some financial institutions to explore market opportunities. Next, we'll discuss SK recently launched T-Wallet. In this chapter, I'll talk about some of the features of T-Wallet, which includes KYC, secure MPC, chat, and bridge functionalities. T-Wallet roles as digital asset command center and the D-app gateway. transferring and swapping digital assets is a wallet's essential features. Primarily, users can manage their own native coins and NFTs on Ethereum and Polygon networks. Other EVM-based mainnets will be supported gradually. And we have some progress to support non-EVM chain like Aptos. T-Wallet does not yet support STOs and CBDCs, but we have partnered with the #1 security companies in Korea that is preparing for the STO platforms, and will be reviewing T-Wallet integration for technical and legal issues. We are also in discussion with major commercial bank to support CBDC-based stablecoin. And we support Wallet Connect to access various DApp easily, and we plan to expand the number of DApps that can be accessed directly within T-Wallet. T-Wallet's biggest selling point is that it's a web-based wallet and has a KYC-based sign-up process. There is no download required, and it can be accessed through web browser, whether it's PC web or mobile web. Since it supports in-app wallets, the app players can embed T-Wallet in their apps or on their web-based services. Already, we integrated T-Wallet into different SKT's metaverse services with millions of MAUs. And we have one person, one wallet KYC policy to comply with financial institutions' guidelines in Korea. Residents in Korea can sign up through an identity authentication service called PASS, and residents outside of Korea can sign up through their passport, driver's license, and residence card. So, Korean users can sign up in less than 10 seconds. After signing up, users can view and transfer digital assets in an intuitive ways. T-Wallet is implemented based on secure MPC technologies to minimize the risk of custodial wallets while eliminating the inconvenience of non-custodial wallets. In T-Wallet, 2 of the 3 key shares are needed for signing, and if the key share stored in the client browser is lost, it can be restored through the recovery server operated by third party. Users don't need seed phrases. They just need to go through the identity authentication process to restore key share. Additionally, users can increase wallet security by setting different passwords for each device and browsers. Secure MPC gives T-Wallet an overhandling advantage over other wallets. T-Wallet chat is working on XMTP. With the T-Wallet chat, users can send secure messages and transfer digital assets on a one-on-one basis. And this one-on-one chat service will be evolved to one-to-many messaging and group chat services. T-Wallet Bridge is a cross-chain asset transfer service that starts with transferring NFTs minted on SK mainnet to Ethereum or Polygon. We plan to evolve the bridge service to support other mainnets in the near future. Next, I would like to introduce SKT's Top-Pot. At Top-Pot, we want to focus on 3 areas. These are digital art, metaverse entertainment, and the membership NFT market. Top-Pot's NFT artwork can be displayed in both online and offline galleries. In the metaverse service, we plan to offer items such as avatar costumes and lands as NFTs. Top-Pot also has music NFTs contain music copyrights. The third target is membership NFT, which are expected to grow in the future. Membership NFTs for the high-end community interested in art collection and private equity investing are already being experimented with. We are also considering Web3 community NFT. To that end, we recently partnered with FactBlock, the organizer of Korean Blockchain Week. We plan to further explore and develop NFT business cases through various initiatives in these three areas. This is Tapot main page. Similar to other NFT marketplaces, you can see featured NFT artworks and collections. When we first planned to Tapot, we set out to ensure the Web2 users have the same customer experience on Web3 as they did on Web2. It's very important, I think. So Tapot users don't need to recognize that the service is Web3 based. To this end, we adopted a fiat money payment before supporting crypto payments. Since SKT is a telecom operator, we prioritize the mobile payment based on carrier billing and also support bank transfer-based payment. Last October, SKT launched the NFT service within eFriend, our metaverse service. By integrating Tapot and T-World within eFriend, we began to enable eFriend users to conveniently purchase and utilize costumes issued as NFT. A prominent feature of Tapot is its parallel display at large physical galleries. We run NFT art galleries in two of the most heavily foot traffic locations in Seoul. These are near Gangnam Station and COEX in Samsung-dong. At COEX, Tapot NFT artworks are displayed every 15 minutes on a 100-meter scale of digital signage areas. By exhibiting artworks in both digital and physical spaces, we hope to bring NFTs close to our real lives. Now, it's more on the next topic, the collaboration agenda that SKT is discussing with the NEAR Foundation. And finally, I'll share with you my thought on the future of Web3. Since April, SK Telecom has been discussing synergies with NEAR's boards. We are envisioning how T-Wallet and Tapot can be integrated with both. And NEAR is incubating a number of Web3 projects through an ecosystem program called NEAR Horizon, which also aligned with the SKT's Web3 incubating plan. We could also contribute to expanding the developer ecosystem by jointly hosting Web3 academy programs or hackathons. In addition, NEAR is participating in a global alliance called the CCI, and I believe that if SKT can join the alliance, we can contribute to the institutionalization of innovative Web3 project. If our partnership agenda is executed, we can expect to see more innovative and diverse success stories in Web3 world. So, look, current political and economic system is not only the one that we can live in. There are a lot of systems and subsystems that overlap and interact with each other, which can be best explained through cybernetics. With blockchain as a kind of cybernetics, we can imagine a future of politics that is more democratic and expressive in ways never before possible. Technology alone is not enough to forge a new map of the crypto space. From the political perspective, crypto as a coordination. From the economic perspective, crypto as finance. From the societal perspective, DAOs and digital cooperatives will drive the blockchain commons for humanity. Now, I hope that everyone here will work together for the new Web3 civilization. Yeah. Thank you for my talk.